This vitamin A formulation delivers noticeable results without the irritation, redness, and dryness. We use the highest concentration of plant-based and active ingredients possible to deliver a healthier and more youthful appearance while hydrating without a greasy residue. Promote clear skin and help control breakouts so you can achieve a clearer, smoother, and more flawless complexion. Fresh scent derived from aloe vera and green tea so you can enjoy knowing no harmful chemicals were used. Add this to your skincare routine today. 100% guarantee. If you are not completely satisfied, simply contact us and we will give you a full refund, no questions asked. This product is distributed by LilyAna Naturals. It is manufactured in small batches of 5-gallon buckets. LilyAna Naturals distributes it into 1.7-ounce bottles, making it convenient for use and ensuring you receive the highest quality product. Worried about retin, drying out your facial skin? Our advanced, anti-aging formula is designed for daily use, day and night, with maximum prescription strength effectiveness without flaking, peeling, or dry skin. Loaded with the best organic ingredients for your face such as hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, green tea, shea butter, and jojoba oil. For men and women and all skin types. You'll see results. Our premium, high-potency lotion will produce visible changes with fine lines and wrinkles. Fade sun damage, spots, acne, scars, and stretch marks. Improve uneven tone, skin texture, and overall appearance. Repair, improve and restore life back into your skin, revealing your true beauty. No oily residue left behind. Our cream quickly absorbs without a heavy or sticky feel. Gentle enough for sensitive skin and to use around your eye area, helping with dark circles, milia, and under eye bags. Use on hands and neck for firming and crepe skin. Works great for blemish-prone areas. Won't clog pores, cause breakouts, blackheads, pimples or irritate. Helps with uneven skin tone, fade scars and dark spots and even stretch marks. Light, pleasant smell. Contains no artificial fragrances added and no parabens. Gluten-free and not tested on animals. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available. This product, please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.